Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cool Product. Today, we are exploring Best Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. If you work on the go or need a compact keyboard for travel, this smart and portable device might be exactly what you are looking for. Let's see how it combines comfort and convenience. Let's get started. The product we are focusing on is the Nelkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Nelkin designed this keyboard for travelers, students, and mobile professionals who want full-size performance in a compact form. When folded, it measures just 7.1 by 4.2 inches, small enough to fit into a pocket or small bag. When opened, it expands to 13.5 by 4 inches, giving you a spacious typing area similar to a desktop keyboard. Even though it is portable, the Nelkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard does not compromise on typing comfort. It features a 9.5mm keycap height that gives a solid and tactile feel. Each key has a 15.63mm width with 2.51mm separation, which helps reduce typing errors and prevents that cramped feeling common in small keyboards. The keys are smooth and quiet, making it perfect for use in offices, libraries, or cafes. Another major highlight is the built-in numeric keypad and precision touchpad. The touchpad supports gestures, scrolling, tap-to-click, and physical press functions. This means you can control your device without carrying a separate mouse. The FN shortcut keys also make it easy to switch Bluetooth channels, check battery status, and control other essential functions quickly. The Nelkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard supports multi-device connectivity. You can pair it with up to 3 devices at the same time, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. Switching between devices is fast and smooth, allowing you to move from your tablet to your laptop or smartphone without delay. Durability is also well considered. The keyboard is made from strong ABS and PU materials, along with environmentally friendly silicone anti-slip mats. These materials help protect it from scratches and everyday wear. It also comes with a soft velvet storage back, making it even more travel-friendly. Despite all these features, the Nelkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard weighs only 8 ounces. It feels lightweight yet sturdy, giving you the freedom to create a portable workstation anywhere.
Big productivity in a small package. If you want a reliable and compact keyboard for work, study, or casual use, the Nelkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description for more details, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more smart and portable gadgets. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.